Hello viewers, finally, Pakistan tell India both sides agreed to a ceasefire. Aji 3:30 p.m. day Pakistan laga Director General of Military Operation bra India laga Director General of Military Operation ko call up kurigina aji laga 5 p.m. bra shuru kurigina tuida naipors majode ceasefire thakole agreed hoise. 22nd April din de Pahalgam attack hua bijide aji melagena 16 days running hoise. Etu 16 days majode India or Pakistan majode tension to BC escalate hogina tuita side bi BC destruction or monduk to anidia thakise holebi aji finally 5 p.m. bra shuru kurigina tuita neighbors majode ceasefire do thagule agreed hua vivorsan amnan ke janai di ase. 22nd April Pahalgam attack day 25 Indian citizen manukhan duhole terrorist khan bra hand down gura thagise etu laga opore India manukhan khusa hoikena Pakistan laga mathi de thaga terrorist khan ke 7 of May early morning 1:05 to 1:30 am majode Noda terrorist camp ke air strike gura thagise aro etu laga strike te hunai septe 90 to 80 terrorist khan duhole neutralize kuri dia thagise. India Armed Force Day Twitter female officers Sophia Qureshi or Vomika Singh bra lead kurigina 7 May 2025 early morning day under the operation code name Operation Sindhu kugina edu air strike to hole carry out kura thagise. Etu lago operation ke retaliate kurigina Pakistan khan bra 8 May or 9 May consecutive radi day India khan ke missiles drone or alak projectiles khan use kurigina attack kura thagise. Choakali Pakistan khan bra India ke attack kura to hole under the code name Boyan al-Masos loigina attack kura thagise. Aro viewers molaga previous video de India khan bra code name Operation Sindhu to kile use kurise eduro moi previous video to phal bra explain kurigina ase to aji laga video de Pakistan khan bra choakali code name use kora Boyan al-Masos to ki ase short te amnange koi dibo. Operation Boyan al-Masos means solid wall of lead. Etu operation code name du hole Muslim laga holy book Quran laga verse ase kuise. Quran laga ekta verse te truly Allah love those who fight in his cause in battle areas as if they were a solid cemented structure. Etu laga verse hisab te Allah laga nam te fight kurubo koigina choakali Pakistan khan bra code name Boyan al-Masos use kurigina India ke attack kura thagise. 22nd April 2025 tin bra loigina ajitak India or Pakistan majode tension to ekdam high thagise. Enaga thaka homoide action countries majode social media war thagise. Aro khali social media war nohigina action ke destruction ani digina India or Pakistan manukhan duhole PC tukte thaka homoide aji evening day akiru koi dia nisna 3:30 p.m. day Pakistan khan bra New Delhi ke call kurigina toida countries majode ceasefire do thagole agreed hoise. Enago hoa bra aji 5 p.m. bra shuru kurigina ceasefire thagole agreed hoise. Officially agreed hoa nai holebi mutual understanding laga hisab te India leaders khan or Pakistan laga leaders khan mutual understanding de aji bra ceasefire thaga viewers an amnan ke janai di ase. Monso pray kurigina rukhi thaka nisna chuti war to escalate hokina jai sokle to India or Pakistan especially public manukhan PC to paulo thagise holebi akiru kwa nisna Pakistan laga leaders khan or India laga leaders khan action laga mutual understanding hisab te aji aro dusra countries khan laga madad loigina US hobby UK hobby nola alak countries khan brabi solution to de-escalate hobo nimide request kura thakise eduan sob laga understanding de aji ceasefire loa vivorsan amnan ke janai di ase.